Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a boca.
Dad, can we keep it?
Huh?
So chunky. I'm so sorry. Okay, ow. This.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna!
There you go. Program Theme has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god. Good boy, Kenneth. Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Sure. Chucky. Sure.
Damn it, Chucky!
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
That's right.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want tap? Ding.
It's official. Oh.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop! Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside. Hello? Ow! No!
Huh?
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
This. Okay.
Și să nu-i plicunești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay. Hey. You got. Okay. Yeah, that's the same.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now. You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No. Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so. Hey, what's up?
His name is John C.
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley. Are you awake? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Program thing has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god.
Lippy, stay. Stay!
Oh no. No. Oh, I got her. Oh.
No, 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 no. NANI?!
Mimi, Mimi, Mimi.